Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the NCB Mobile App and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. NCB Mobile is a digital banking app developed by National Commercial Bank, designed to give customers secure access to their accounts anytime, anywhere. The app supports core features such as checking balances, transferring funds, paying bills, viewing transaction history, and managing multiple accounts. It also offers secure login options, real-time notifications, and tools for easier financial management directly from your phone. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Users often highlight the app's clean design, quick login process, and reliable performance for everyday banking tasks. The ability to make instant transfers, receive transaction alerts, and handle payments without visiting a branch makes it highly convenient. Many also appreciate the app's focus on security, giving peace of mind while handling sensitive financial data. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. Some users report occasional slowdowns or glitches during updates, and advanced banking features may require in-branch activation or aren't as seamless as desktop banking. Additionally, those who rely on more complex services might find the app somewhat limited compared to full banking platforms. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button. It really supports the channel. In summary, the NCB mobile app may be worth using if you're looking for a secure, straightforward, and mobile-friendly way to manage your finances. It shines in convenience, account access, and essential banking features. However, if you require advanced financial tools or rely on complex services, you might find it lacking in some areas. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.